Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the language input itself. Add the keyboard or IME in your operating system and install a compatible font so characters render correctly. Once done, assign a fast switch hotkey so you can toggle languages without digging through menus. Make sure to pick the input variant you need, phonetic, in script, or native layout, because that choice determines how you type. This first step gets you into the keyboard environment where every subsequent action becomes possible. Now you configure the typing tools that shape speed and accuracy. Switch between phonetic transliteration and the native layout depending on familiarity. Enable dead keys or a compose key for accents and diacritics. This solves many multi-key characters. If the language uses complex shaping, install the recommended IME or a browser extension to handle ligatures and contextual forms. Also turn on predictive input or a dictionary, so you can accept suggestions and finish by making the workflow durable. Create snippets for repeated phrases, map shortcuts, and save a keyboard profile so you can restore settings quickly. Practice with short messages and correct predictive suggestions to train muscle memory. This is how speed improves. Make sure file encoding is UTF-8 and fonts remain active so characters don't break. If things go wrong, restart the IME and reselect the language. If that fails, confirm the font and encoding before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.